If you want to get all your survey submissions in a page, as it is shown in our example, you should use our All Submissions shortcut. Let's find out how to use it. First of all, go to the General Settings part from your dashboard and choose the Shortcodes tab. Then, copy the given shortcode and paste it into your desired post or page to show all the survey submissions. Below, we can see Show to Guest To option, and by clicking it, we agree that non-logged-in users can also see the table. However, keep in mind that although this feature allows guests to view your table, only the submission results of logged-in users will be displayed. Moreover, you have the option to decide the order of data in your table, or you can decide to remove some data from your table by unmarking the corresponding checkbox. Also, let's understand how we can copy and paste our shortcode in our desired post or page. We click on the shortcode and copy it. Then go to the Add New Post section and just simply add our shortcode here. We also have the option to save the draft, preview it, or publish. Let's preview it to make sure that we did everything correctly and we can see the results of our customizations.